Bye.
What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacie, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello, and if you're a subscriber, what's up? Alright guys, this is killing me. I literally have orange eyeshadow on my nose because I use an orange brush for my highlight, so please bear with me in the intro. So as you guys can see, today I wanted to give you guys this dramatic, very fun, very colorful look. So I was actually watching Indigo to Hell, which shout out to him. You know, we used to go to the same school. He lit, period. But anyways, yeah, I was watching him and he actually did a tutorial using the Beauty Base Bright palette. And once I saw it, I was like, okay, if it was under $40, I'm gonna buy it. I looked at the price, $20 for 46 colors. Stop playing. So I ended up ordering it, and if you are interested in ordering this palette, I'm going to talk about it a little bit later in the video, but the shipping, ridiculous. So today I just wanted to give you guys this, you know, very fun, very colorful look. I literally thought of this look while I was doing it, but yeah, I would really love your help. So go ahead and follow me on my social media, so next time you can participate in my polls and all that good stuff, and just up your dose to Team Stacie, period. And before we get started with this video, make sure you turn my post notifications on so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video, and just become a super subscriber with my post notifications. So without further ado, if you want to see how I achieve this look, go ahead and keep watching. Alrighty guys, so with the P. Louise base in 0.5, I'm going to go ahead and distribute that evenly across my lid. And as you guys see, I did my eyebrows off camera, and if you guys want an updated tutorial on that, go ahead and comment down below. So with this dense fluffy brush, I'm going to go ahead and just pat that in, like I said, making sure it is evenly distributed before we put any color. And next, with the Beauty Base Bright palette, this palette is literally bomb.com, 42 vibrant colors. The only thing that I don't like about this palette is it took so long to come. The shipping is ridiculous. I believe it comes from the United Kingdom, but besides that, baby, let's get into this pigment. So I'm gonna put on the screen the actual shade names because this palette does come with shade names, which I love that. But with this orange shade here, I'm gonna go ahead and pack that into the inner corner of my crease. And then with this red shade, I'm just gonna pack that on the outer corner of my crease. And then you're gonna see me kind of using back and forth in circular motions to merge those two colors together.
You win.
Next up, I'm going to go ahead and take this yellow shade, and I'm just going to pack that on top of the orange shade that we have in the inner corner of my crease. And before we do any circular motions to blend, I like to pack it on, and then I'm going to use circular motions to blend those two colors together, making sure everything looks smooth and diffused. I'm going to do the same thing with the pink shade and just use circular motions to blend together. And I'm sorry, y'all, I was actually watching Messy Mondays, so I might be laughing a little bit in this video. So next up, I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. And also, if you guys want an in-depth tutorial on how to cut crease for beginners, go ahead and just comment that below. But I'm going to cut my crease. So as you saw, there's going to be a blank space with this cut crease. So I did want to go ahead and just clean that up. And now I'm going to go in with my LA Pro Girl concealer, and this one is in medium beige, and we're just going to go ahead and put that concealer. We're going to cut the crease with that concealer. The reason why I'm doing this is because this concealer is closer to my skin tone versus the P. Louise base in 0.5, which is kind of like a pure white. Y'all was so hungry in this video. I'm sorry. But anyways, I'm just going to pat that in. And then with some translucent powder, I'm going to set that. So now everything looks blank and it looks clear. We're gonna go ahead and make our cat eye. Now, instead of like filling everything in, as you guys see, we're gonna literally make the shape of the cat eye, but not fill in that space, because we're gonna fill that space with some color. So I'm making sure the point is nice and sharp. Then I go back in with the micellar water and I'm just gonna clean up any mistakes that I made within that blank space. And I hope what I'm saying is making sense, but you guys can see what I'm doing. Now I'm taking the same orange shade and the same red shade, and I'm going to go ahead and just pack those two colors in the wing. So everything kind of ties in together. And this is the J. LaRue's loose glitter, and this color is in white gold. It's a nice iridescent touch. And these lashes are actually from me. I'm actually dropping a lash collection, so stay tuned for that. These lashes are my Millionaire lashes. I'm not gonna get too much into that, but stay tuned for that lash line to drop. But I'm gonna take the same pink and the same yellow shade, and I just put that on my waterline. So I did go ahead and do my skin off camera because I actually had an in-depth tutorial on how I achieve flawless foundation. But here we're just gonna go ahead and do my lipstick. And I'm so sorry, y'all. I don't know the shade color. It will be linked down below. But I'm gonna go ahead and take this new Revlon lipstick, and we're gonna have this light pink nude ombre lip going on. Alright guys, so that is the end of this video. This look is a little bit different. I have a lot of new products. I don't know if it's me, but I don't know if I just seem super tan. It might look good in the video, but like I feel like something's off. Like I don't know if it's like my foundation. I don't know what it is, but I just feel like I look super tan. Hopefully this look looks good on camera and it looks good on pictures, because for some reason I'm not feeling it all the way. I don't know, maybe I'm a little hungry, so I'm about to go eat after this video. But yeah, typically in my videos, I do like to go ahead and show you guys the full tutorial of me just doing my eyes, my face, and everything. But in this video today, I did tell you guys on multiple occasions that I do want to do a beginner basics series. So I did take the time of when I was applying this foundation to go ahead and narrate it in my other video. So if you're kind of like a beginner and you kind of want to know how to apply your foundation, concealer, highlighter, baking, contour, all that good stuff, I'm going to go ahead and link it up here. If the video's not up yet, just stay tuned. Make sure my post notifications are on so you can be notified when the video does drop. In my later videos, you guys definitely are going to get the whole thing, like eyes and face. But in this video, I did have to, you know, chop it up because your girl was giving you content back to back, period. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this look, guys. I hope you guys are feeling it, and I will catch you in my next video, which is going to be Tuesdays and Thursdays. Bye, guys.